Welcome to my summer tea party. This tea party is sponsored by Lady Phoenix and my sister, my YouTube sister, the Tea Party Club. Go check out their channels and go check out the playlist. I want to show you what I have here. It's not a normal tea party. You know, Melissa's designs are normally not normal. No. I'm starting with a camper teapot and a happy camper sign, and let the adventure. Let's go explore. Because who doesn't like to explore new places in the summertime? And yes, this is a red, white, and blue tablecloth that I'm using as a table runner. That actually I found it at the Dollar Tree. And it's got the little red trucks. But let's go to dessert first. This is what we call walking banana pudding. It's vanilla wafers, a cup of vanilla wafers with banana pudding, banana, and whipped cream. Perfect to take with you on a camping trip or a summer outing. Also, here's our tea set. We have walking tacos. They're either with Doritos or Fritos. And they have everything for a taco, or you can even do fajitas on the go. All you have to do is have a fork and there will be no mess. If you'd like the recipe or know how for me to show you how to do that, the video will be in the description box. Oh, and I have to show you my wreath. The wreath is available on my Etsy shop. And it's a great 4th of July wreath. It's just a nice, pretty floral wreath with red, white, and blue roses and a star that says welcome. And it also has Queen Anne's lace and eucalyptus. And lots of red, white, and blue glitter on the bow. And the florals are Real Touch roses. This is my summer tea party. Okay, the arrangement on the table is made of blue roses and red roses and carnations and some fun glittery, it looks like firecrackers and stars for something fun. And the teapot is setting on just a handkerchief that's red, white, and blue. The teapot and the cups and the sugar bowl, those all come from the thrift store.